If you're in the mood for a great game day appetizer, these Kentucky hot brown sliders are for you. They're a twist on a classic Southern sandwich, and the slider size makes them perfect for sharing with family and friends. I'm Whitney from Sweet Cayenne, and these Kentucky hot brown sliders have all the flavor you want for a special weekend treat.
For the slider filling, you're going to need 2 heaping cups of shredded or sliced cooked turkey breast. Now, I brought mine pre-cooked from the grocery store, but you can use leftover Thanksgiving turkey or even turkey deli meat if you like. You just want the pieces to be small enough to fit on the top of the slider. Next, you're going to finely chop 4 slices of cooked thick-cut bacon. Chop it up really finely. For the sauce on our hot brown, we're going to make a traditional Mornay sauce, and you're going to start by melting a tablespoon of butter, then mixing a tablespoon of flour in a saucepan over medium heat. Then you'll slowly drizzle in 1 cup of whole milk, whisking while you stir it in, and then you'll simmer it until it thickens just enough to coat the back of a spoon. To the sauce, you'll add a 1/3 cup of sun-dried tomato pesto, and then 1/2 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese, and you'll want to whisk that in until it's smooth and creamy. Then just set it aside till your sliders are ready to assemble. For the slider topping, you'll want to melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a skillet over medium heat, and to that you'll add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Then you'll just stir that all together until it's well combined and set it aside off the heat till you're ready to use it.
So now we've got all the elements for our sliders, it's time to assemble them. So I've got a greased baking dish right here with 12 slider rolls in it, and you can use any type of slider bun that you want. I like to use the Hawaiian rolls if I'm feeling a little indulgent, but you could use whole wheat too. And then you're just going to start piling your turkey on top of the bottom half of the rolls. So you can tear it into smaller pieces if you want, but you want the layers to be as even as possible with the turkey. So this is a fantastic recipe for using up any leftover turkey that you have, whether you've cooked a turkey in the smoker or you have leftover Thanksgiving turkey. I bought this turkey breast from Aldi, and it's pre-seasoned and pre-cooked, but I have an awesome recipe for the best slow cooker turkey breast that I'll link for you in the description box below. It doesn't sound like it would be that good, but it's amazing. It's like the best turkey I've ever had. So I love to make these sliders with my leftover Thanksgiving turkey on the day after Thanksgiving when we're all just chilling out and playing games and watching football. So our turkey is all in there, and next it's time for our Mornay cheese sauce.
You'll want to spoon about 2 tablespoons of the Mornay sauce onto each slider. You can save the remainder of the sauce to serve as a dipping sauce with the sliders when they are ready to serve. Next, you'll sprinkle on the finely chopped bacon evenly onto each slider. And the final topping will be 2/3 of a cup of a mixture of shredded white cheddar and Gruyere cheese. Place the slider buns on top of each slider, and then evenly drizzle on that butter topping that we made over the tops of each bun. I like to follow this up by using a pastry brush to spread it out evenly over the tops and sides of the bun.
Okay, our sliders are ready to go in the oven. They're going to bake at 350 for 20 minutes while they're covered with oil. And then we'll uncover them and bake them an additional 10 minutes so that the top gets all golden brown and crispy. Oh my goodness, these sliders smell so amazing. I wish you guys could smell them. They look so good, and I am starving. They're hot and crispy on the top. So I've got the extra cheese sauce right here that you could serve on the side as a dipping sauce. And then I've got these cute little wooden appetizer plates that I picked up at Target. Perfect for game day. Look at all that melty cheese. Oh my gosh. Now these are a little messy to eat. I'm not gonna lie, but that's kind of the fun of making them. Of course you could eat them with a fork. That would be fine. And what's so great about them is, I don't know if you've ever had a real Kentucky hot brown sandwich before, but they're huge and a calorie bomb. And so what is nice about these sliders is you get a little bit of every element of the classic sandwich in a convenient little portion. So I really like that. And I like to serve these like on football watching days with a big veggie tray and some dips and other things. Now it's time for the taste test. Let's see if I can do this gracefully. They're so hot and delicious, you guys. And all the great elements of a hot brown are in there. The turkey, the tomatoes and the sun-dried tomato pesto, a little bit of bacon, and of course the cheese. These are divine, you guys. I really hope you guys get a chance to try these Kentucky hot brown sliders. I've got everything you need to make the recipe listed in the description box below, including a printable version. And if you're planning a game day menu, be sure to check out this appetizer playlist, and I'll see you guys in the next video.